freak, I'm not gonna lie. I can't balance this freak. I freaking give up. Whoa. Jesus. Careful. We're just only going to Jaikat, my friend. Say hello. He's eating. I don't know what he's eating. So I'm in English and a Filipino. Oh. Oh my goodness. We're almost. Gali. Do not guys freaking run with me. Okay guys. Phew. I almost did.
Kumakain ka ba? Nagtatakbo.
Nagtatakbo. Ayun yun oh.
Kain ka nung kain.
Oh my goodness.
Mamaya
And then second, I need to do like this. Shoot those clothes. Yay. So I'm gonna be easiest in the world. I'm teleporting in 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be take a while. Okay, keep going. Keep freaking going. Oh my freak. Not again. Okay. Now. Okay, I'm doing this again. Keep going. Freak. This is freaking hard. Oh. Okay, I am all bro. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I made it! Oh, that was so. Oh, freak! Freak! I almost fall. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe. Mama! I'm gonna unwear this in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Bye guys. I'm going to sleep.